welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm looking a bit somehow, but we're gonna fix this. As you guys can see, I don't have my wig on because I've got another hair tutorial for you guys. So today's wig is from Supernova Hair, and they have sent me their curly headband wig. So I'm gonna be trying that out for you guys. In the bag comes with 3, and they've sent me this headband as well. There's actually 4 headbands. So I'm gonna show you guys what the wig looks like now, and then we can start installing this wig. This is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, it comes with this black headband thing around it, and then the rest are just tracks. So this is what the construction of the wig looks like on the inside. As you guys can see, it's got it's got 2 combs at the back and 2 combs at the top as well, and then it comes with this thing which is kind of like a velcro type of material, so you can just like hook it together. So I'm gonna pop this wig on now. Also I've already gone ahead to co-wash the hair, as you guys can see. So this is the hair in its natural state. I haven't done anything to it. All I did was I used some shampoo and conditioner to wash the hair. So now I'm gonna pop the wig on, so let's see what it looks like. I do look a bit crazy, but we're gonna fix that. We are going to fix that. So this is what the wig looks like with just the headband, and you guys can see, you can't even see the tracks. Where are the tracks? You can't see the tracks because the way they've constructed this wig, they've done it so well that none of the tracks are sticking out or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply some water on the hair just to get it to lay down flat at the top. Okay, so another thing as well, right now I don't have any hair to work with because I did shave my head. So I'm not bald, but my hair's not long enough for me to try and do some baby hairs or anything like that. My hair's still growing, so I can't really style this wig the way I would like to style the wig, because that would have been so nice. But obviously we're just gonna have to work with what we have at the moment. So if I had some hair that I could work with, then obviously I would have been able to wear this headband, but I don't. So I'm gonna try this one actually, and let's see how this looks on. So guys, this is one way that you can rock this wig. I think this is really cute. This is honestly like a quick pop on and go type of wig, and you don't have to worry about gluing down no lace, gelling down no lace, melting down no lace, hot comb. But you don't have to worry about anything. This is like the lazy girl. This is a lazy girl wig. Lazy girl wig, that's what I've called it. Lazy girl wig. You just pop it on and you're good to go. Like, and you can't see the black headband. You can't see the black headband, it's hidden. You can't see any of the tracks, everything is hidden. You just literally pop your wig on and you're good to go. And I think this hairstyle is really cute. So I'm just gonna, what you want to do is you want to grab the hair like this, and you want to twist like so, and then you want to pop the rest into Guys, this is so weird for me. I've never had a hairstyle like this before, but this is not bad. It's cute. You can even move it to the side. Basically, you can manipulate this wig. And guys, this hairstyle is, I've never ever done my hair like this before. You guys know I tend to just keep my hair very simple and I keep it moving, but this is very cute, very different. So this is another way you can rock this wig. You can do it to the side, or you can have it right in the middle, whichever one you prefer. But I think this is so cute, like, honestly. But moving on to the next headband, I'm gonna try on this. Actually no, you know what, I want to try this one instead. So let's see. Honestly, I'm actually really happy about this headband wigs. I feel like they make so much sense, especially for beginners as well. You guys don't have to worry about gluing down, spraying down, melting in, any of that sort. You don't have to worry about anything. It's just so easy and so simple to just pop it on and you're good to go. Like guys, me installing this wig literally took me not more than 5 minutes for me to pop this wig on, literally. And it seems like this new headband wigs are like the new trending thing now. Like, they're not going anywhere, and it does make a lot of sense. I won't lie to you. This just, it saves you so much time, saves you having to worry about gluing down anything. Like, it makes a lot of sense. Honestly speaking, it makes a lot of sense. Another thing I like about the headbands is that you can style them to frame your face, if that makes sense. Like, I've seen so many people wearing these wigs, and obviously they're styling it with baby hairs and stuff. I don't have baby hairs to work with because obviously I shaved my hair and stuff, so I'm just having to see how possible it is for me to rock this wig without any form of baby hairs, and it's not bad. It's actually not bad, guys. You can even do like a flip over method. Like, I know there's no lace on this wig, so you can't really like part your hair a certain way, but you can still like rock this hair if you want to rock it however you want to rock it. You can do a flip over method like this as a side parting. Okay, so I've just changed my top, so now I'm actually going to try the last headband that came with this wig. So let's see. Obviously it is definitely going to be a lot going on with my cardigan and this, but let's go. Although this wig doesn't come with lace, so obviously you can't part your hair as a middle parting or as a side parting, it makes life so much easier, especially if you're someone who's always on the go, or you're always rushing to work, or maybe even if you've got kids and you know you're just always busy and you don't have time to lay down your wigs or anything like that. This is an amazing alternative to go for. Like, literally, even me, I don't have kids, I don't, you know, I have time to do my hair, but I can be very lazy when it comes to get, you know, laying down my wigs and stuff. So I would definitely rock this wig because it's so, like, it literally took me 5 minutes to install the wig. If anything, if you guys are not really feeling the headbands that come with the wigs, you can always choose whatever headband you want, so you don't necessarily have to go for the ones that I've included in this video. You can always go for anyone and switch it up. So you guys let me know what headband was your favorite headband down below, guys. I can't believe, like, this literally saves you. Listen, you can save your edges, saves you time from gluing down, saves you time from bleaching, from melting in, from spraying. Listen, none of that. None of that. You don't need any of that. All you need to do is just to pop on the wig and you're good to go. So like I said, this wig is from Supernova Hair, and this is the curly headband wig, and it's in the length 24 inches, 200% density, so it is definitely, listen, it's very full. So this is a lot of hair that I'm working with. But anyway, if you guys would like to know anything about this wig, I'll make sure to leave all the links and details that you guys need to know down below. So please make sure you check the description box, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.